Okay, say hello to Tazer. He is precious.
I want to put a...
Oh my goodness, look at that. He's got... Let's hold your head up, baby. He's got white down here on his chest. He's got tips on his toes. Stand up, baby. He's got some brown in there. This black. Gorgeous, gorgeous dog. Let's see, baby. Come here. He's real sweet. Look at that tail. What do you think, baby? What do you think, baby? His toes.
Do you like them shrimp?
Yes, I did.
They were good, right?
They were really good. Oh, look at that face. Say hi.
Well, if we
Can you say hi?
we wouldn't have enough.
Huh? Hi,
Maybe
precious.
eat too much, but...
Goodness.
Boy, I wish we could find those silver.
Where are you going, sweetie? He's tired. Are you tired, sweetie? Come here. It's your 15 minutes of fame here, buddy. Let's go. Are you shy? Are you a little bit shy?
They might have went to the dump. We might not have went there.
You're precious. All the info for this guy is on the website. New Puppies letter 4 or number 4 letter U.com. It's going to be on YouTube. It's going to be on Facebook.
Jumping broccoli. Oh, that was something we was going to do.
That face.
Sometime when she comes down.
Okay, say bye, Tazer. Say bye.